Okay, so if you follow the previous video, so this part is the Unwrap UVW. So first is I noticed that this nail heads is bigger, so we have to change this. Click isolate selection, Alt W, and group. So let us copy one of this, shift and drag, then copy, and geometry, because the size of this is the radius is 1/4 inch, so the radius must be 1/8 inch. Delete this, select this one, change the radius to 125. Tools, align, spacing tool, pick path, 200, instance, let's say 380, apply, close, delete this one, group again, okay, and hide all. It's loading in my computer. Okay, so unhide all. Now let us unwrap UVW this. Okay, so select this first, isolate selection, right click, convert to editable poly, we have to clear first any UVW so that we will have no more problems when dealing with the unwrap. Then after that, right click, convert again to editable poly, then unwrap UVW, select edge, press Ctrl, double click, Alt, middle button of your mouse, Ctrl, double click, convert to edge, and we have to make a seam in here. I mean convert to seam, so we have to create another seam here. Then deselect, that is ignore backpacing, Shift Alt to deselect this, it is not deselecting, so we have to do it here to deselect. Control Alt to deselect. Okay, so let us convert this to sim and press here, quick peel. We need to rearrange this so that oops, it's not, the sim is not, this edge is not included, so we have to find that one. Here. Okay, so press this select the element and then rotate. And then select this, rescale, scale all, and then pack. Let us make a texture checker to see. Okay, checker pattern, much better. Okay, so after this we have to convert to editable poly. So if you have to put another UVW, so it is already unwrapped. So open UV editor. So that is I think this is not properly when we use pack, so we need to adjust this. And repack. Okay, and hide all. Let us make this unwrap this, isolate selection, UV mapping clear, convert to editable poly, and then unwrap UVW edge, click here, then control, convert to sim here, ignore backpacing, off this, control alt, deselect this, convert to edge, and then quick fill. So the arrangement is wrong, so we need to have along this direction. Select all, rescale, and then pack. Okay, open again, checker pattern, that's good. Right click, convert to editable poly, so unhide all. Now if we have to check this, so we will put a material in this, press M, checker, now I have made a checker that has numbers, so that we'll know the flow of the fabric. For example, this your fabric is striped, for example this one, so you know the direction, so you can use a checker which determine the flow. I have okay, I have created a checker with numbers which I have created in Photoshop. Okay, we create a material, let's say bare material, for example. Okay, let us put this so that we will know the size of the, if they are equal. Tiling is 10. Let us see if the checkered are the same sizes with this one, and also the direction of the numbers are the same. Okay, this one is wrong, this side is wrong, so we need to edit this. Okay, this side is wrong, so we see to it that all directions are correct, the same as this. So right click, isolate, Unwrap UVW, open UV editor, select this, this one, so we need to flip. Okay, here, Okay, it's fine. Convert to editable poly and hide all. Click this one. Okay, so convert to editable poly and hide all. So in the next video I will show you how to render this in V-Ray and also in Keisha. Thank you.